hear them talking round town about the team they love. They call the Norfolk Admirals. And yes, they set a new record for consecutive wins. They call the Norfolk Admirals. If I was richer, I'd bet on them with ya. No, don't jinx them, shh. Don't jinx them, shh. So when they ask who's the best, it ain't even a question. It's the Norfolk Admirals. Now I know that come tomorrow there might be an end to this winning streak. But in the meantime, in between time, these Norfolk Admirals can't be beat. The city is so in love with you. They play the song, just thought you should know. I got some news for you. Yeah, go and tell everybody. I hear them talking round town about the team they love. They call the Norfolk Admirals. And yes, they set a new record for consecutive wins. They call the Norfolk Admirals. If I was richer, I'd bet on them with ya. No, don't jinx them, shh. Don't jinx them, shh. So when they ask who's the best, it ain't even a question. It's the Norfolk Admirals.